Adobe Photoshop has introduced a new feature called Generative Fill, which uses artificial intelligence to add, remove, or expand content in images. This feature is designed to help users quickly realize their creative vision while providing complete control over the editing process. Generative Fill can save a lot of time by automatically creating realistic and stunning results that require minimal additional editing. It works by analyzing each pixel of an image to match lighting, perspective, coloring, and shadows, resulting in remarkably realistic art. Users can use simple text prompts to generate content, and the new content is created in a separate layer, allowing for easy editing, refining, or removal without affecting the original image. Generative Fill is integrated into Photoshop, making it easy to use and providing complete creative control. It can be used for a variety of purposes, such as creating images from scratch, removing objects and backgrounds, extending the size of the canvas, and generating backgrounds or realistic objects. This feature is a significant advancement in image editing and is expected to have a transformative impact on the design and photography industry. And in this video, you are going to learn how to use it. How to download Photoshop Generative Fill. Want to try Photoshop's new magical Generative Fill feature? Let's take a look at the steps. First, you'll need to unlock the secret beta version. If you don't already have Photoshop, grab the free trial. If you're a subscriber, open the Creative Cloud app and find the hidden Beta Apps menu. Next, look for Photoshop Beta and install it. This unlocks all the latest experimental goodies they're cooking up. Once installed, crack open the beta and let the fun begin. Photoshop will offer a guided tour to get you started with Generative Fill. Just click Try Now to download helpful assets. Then you can start filling any area with AI-generated pixels. This tool makes editing images more magical than ever. What does the Generative Fill toolbar do? Photoshop's new Generative Fill toolbar packs a toolkit of powerful AI-powered options for enhancing images. Let's walk through what each icon does. 1. Select Subject. This brilliantly leverages AI to automatically identify and select the main subject in your photo. Isolate key elements from busy backgrounds or duplicate and modify subjects with ease. 2. Remove Background. Instantly delete image backgrounds with one click thanks to AI magic. This makes isolating foreground subjects a breeze. 3. Transform Image. Quickly flip or rotate entire images horizontally or vertically to achieve the desired orientation. Helpful for correcting angles or perspectives. 4. Add Adjustment Layer. Apply preset filters like black and white, vintage, HDR, and more to creatively alter overall image appearance and mood. Tweak lighting, color, and tone. 5. Taskbar Appearance. Customize how the Generative Fill toolbar looks. Choose between vertical, horizontal, or floating layouts based on preference. 6. Properties Panel, view, and modify settings for generated layers, adjustments, and other elements. Fine-tune results or tweak properties. These handy built-in tools already enable amazing image edits, but the creative possibilities expand even further by combining Generative Fill with Photoshop's other robust features. Truly unleash the AI's potential through clever utilization. Try chaining together generations and adjustments into layered workflows. Experiment with blending generated pixels into masked areas. The intersections unlock next-level image creation. Immerse yourself in the new frontier of intelligent editing tools. Use AI to expand your images. Want to make an image bigger or change its shape? Generative Fill is perfect for expanding your photos. Just follow these steps. First, open the image you want to enlarge. Use the crop tool to increase the canvas size, leaving empty space around your photo. Next, select the empty areas where you want AI to generate new content. Also select any sections you want it to mimic. This gives the AI clues. Now click Generative Fill and watch the magic happen. For tailored results, add text describing what you want added, like expand the grass field under the sunset. Details help it generate realistic imagery. Leave the prompt blank for more random generated pixels in the style of existing ones. Finally, let the AI work its wonders. Incredibly, it will digitally expand your photo in ways that look amazingly natural. The AI analyzes surrounding colors, textures, and patterns to convincingly extend images. This makes enlarging photos easier than ever. You can resize it to any dimensions or aspect ratios. Fill blank spaces, add more scenery, widen panoramas. The possibilities are endless. Add new objects to a scene. Photoshopping objects into images with proper lighting and perspective used to require professional skill. But Generative Fill makes it easy to blend elements into scenes realistically. Just pick an area to add something new. Then click Generative Fill and type a descriptive prompt like a person sitting on the beach or a futuristic cityscape. The AI will generate multiple options based on your prompt. Examine the different versions using the arrow buttons. Pick the most convincing composite. Tweak your wording to refine results. For a person on a beach, adding young man in sunglasses and shorts gives clearer direction. For a city, detail like tall glass skyscrapers with flying cars helps. The AI analyzes surrounding textures, colors, and lighting to integrate elements naturally. With practice, you can conjure anything imaginable into images. You can even generate variations on multiple objects. Add a little girl building a sandcastle, then also a dog playing with a beach ball. Mix and match prompts to build complex scenes. Populate landscapes with architecture, nature, people, creatures, anything you describe. This democratizes photomontage. Limitations shift from technical skill to one's imagination. Build surreal, whimsical worlds once possible only for Hollywood. Of course, you can also use Generative Fill for more practical effects, like inserting products into lifestyle photos. But let your creativity run wild. Remove elements the quick and easy way. Want to seamlessly remove unwanted objects from photos? Generative Fill makes erasing elements easy. First, select around the object you want gone. Then click Generative Fill. The AI analyzes surrounding pixels to replace the selection with a natural-looking background. For more control, add text prompts. Remove the bench but keep the ground, makes it integrate the flooring. You can even say, add a statue where the bench was. The results can be shockingly convincing. In complex scenes like nature, architecture, or crowds, Generative Fill disguises deletions. Lighting and textures are synthesized to blend in. You can also retouch faces by removing blemishes, gaps, lines, or unwanted features. Subtle generation prevents visible seams between the face and generated skin. With practice, this tool lets you recompose scenes in hyper-realistic ways. Erase distractions from photos to hone focus. Delete logos or text on clothes and surfaces. Adjust backgrounds and ambience to your creative vision without obvious editing. Of course, exercise caution when altering images intended to represent truth. But for creative projects or composites, the possibilities are endless. I hope you found these tips and techniques helpful in unleashing your creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. And before you leave, check out our other videos as well.